Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money from side hustles. First, consider what you enjoy and what you're good at. This helps pinpoint the perfect side hustle for you. Next, research if there's a real need for your service or product. Starting small, perhaps with just 1 or 2 clients, allows you to refine your approach and build confidence without overwhelming yourself. This foundational step is crucial for long-term success. There are many avenues to explore when seeking a side income. Consider freelancing, where you can offer skills like writing, graphic design, or virtual assistance to clients worldwide. Another popular option is selling products online, whether handmade crafts or curated vintage items, reaching a broad audience. For immediate earnings, the gig economy provides opportunities in delivery services or ride-sharing, often with flexible hours. To truly succeed, setting clear financial goals is essential. Perhaps aim for an extra $500 each month. Consistency is key, so dedicate a few hours every week to your hustle, even if it's just 2 or 3 hours. Actively marketing your offerings, whether through social media or word of mouth, will help you attract new customers and grow your earnings steadily over time. Once your side hustle is established, think about scaling it up. Consider reinvesting about 10 to 20% of your profits to improve your tools or marketing efforts. Look for ways to expand what you offer, perhaps adding a new service or product line. Automating simple, repetitive tasks can save you many hours each week, allowing you to focus on strategic growth and increasing your overall income.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.